Hi, my name is Kenta and I'm from the Japan Fair office. We're counting down to Japan Fair 2021 happening on June 26th at 1 p.m. This year, there's 3 virtual ways that you can enjoy Japan Fair. The first way is through our live stream on YouTube. Miss Angie Tomohoku is our MC just like previous years. Second is our video premiering channel. There you'll find over 40 organizations showing us how great Japan is. Last but not least is our Zoom seminars. We have 10 free Zoom seminars for you, but all of them require registration. So make sure to check out our website for all the details. We hope to see you there.